back. Back at it again in the Jeep Patriot. This is a continuation of my audio installation. Today I'm going to be working on the amp rack, and for supplies I picked up a 2 foot by 4 foot piece of hardboard from Home Depot. There's a screw on that. Also picked up a 2 foot by 4 foot piece of 3/4 inch MDF board. So today's goal is to create a template, which I've already started doing, out of the hardboard, and then transfer that template onto the 3/4 inch MDF. Here I'm using a piece of sound dampening material that came with my Jeep Patriot to help further develop my template. Here I'm doing a test fit of the amplifier I chose for my subwoofer. Because the Patriot is limited on space, I decided to go with an amplifier that was small, but also packed a punch, and the JBL GTX 500 does just that. Now that I have my rough template created, I'll start the process of tracing my template to the 3/4 inch MDF board. I will use a pencil since the template is rough, but off camera I will go over the pencil lines with a black marker using a straight edge and right angle tool to get more precise lines. Here, the gap I traced from the outline of the sound dampening material was a little wider than I wanted, so I'll take this opportunity to make a correction here on the board. And here's a finished outline with the knockoff pieces marked off. Off camera, I'll use a jigsaw and a circular saw to make my cuts. Here you can see the cargo area has its factory look, and I can fold down the seats as needed. In the cargo area, I still have access to my spare tire as needed. I also have enough board space to expand by adding additional items such as an amplifier or distribution block. I use split loom tubing to prevent the wires from rubbing as I let the seat up and down in the rear area. This also gives the installation a more complete and professional look. In my next video, I'll finish up the amp rack by wrapping it in carpet. I'll then show you how to run a power wire from the battery through the firewall of a Jeep Patriot into the rear area.